How to send photos as documents on WhatsApp in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, but before starting the video, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So if you want to send photos on WhatsApp as documents and you don't want to lose the quality of images or videos, you can follow this video. So first of all, open up the WhatsApp and then you'll have to choose that specific chat to whom you want to send those pictures or photos or videos in the form of documents. Then tap on that plus icon on the bottom left and then tap on document. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to click on choose photo or video. Now you'll have to choose any one of these photos. For example, I will choose this photo and then tap on send. Now you can see that photo is being sent in .png and it's been sent as a document. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions